Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you one solution for your Shopify store. So basically in the previous video I have actually cleaned the URL. So that means in the URL I was getting / pages. So I removed / pages and made a clean URL for my Shopify store. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can remove / policies from your URL for all the policy pages. So for example, right now I have some policy pages. Let's say I have privacy policy. If I'm clicking on it, you can see on the top we have the domain name, and then after we have / policies / privacy policy. So I am interested to remove this / policies from this URL so that my URL should look more cleaner. So in the same way, I have another page, for example, refund policy. So if I'm clicking on that, you can see that we have / policies, then / refund policy. So again, I am interested to remove these / policies. And same way we have terms of service. So you can see we have / policies, then / terms of service. So here in this case also, I am interested to remove / policies. So why I am actually removing it here is that to make it SEO friendly, when a customer is coming up to my Shopify store, so he should able to see that my store is looking more professional. So this is also one of the part where we are actually reducing the length of the URL so that it become more user friendly and more professional. So to solve this, I need to write some code and also need to do some settings in my Shopify backend. So let me do it quickly and then you will see the results. And one more thing is that this solution is applicable for any theme you have. Maybe you have free themes, or maybe you have paid themes. Right now I have installed Horizon theme. If you have any other theme, then still this solution will work. So let me quickly write some code and do some settings in my Shopify backend, and then I will show you that what is the result of that. So how actually the things are removed from the URL. So now I have updated the code and I have also done some changes in my Shopify backend. And now you can see that on the top we have / terms of service and / policies is gone. So let's say I'm going to the bottom of my Shopify page, and here you can see we have privacy policy. If I'm clicking on privacy policy, you can see that we have / privacy - policy. So all those words which were like, for example, / policies, so that is no more in the URL. Similarly, we have refund policy. So I clicked on refund policy and you can see that in the URL we have only / refund - policy. So / policies is not anymore in the URL. So now you can see that URL is more neat and clean. So in the same way, if I'm clicking on terms of service, so you can see that we have / terms of service without having the word / policies. So this is one of the best thing which I found, because in Shopify that was much more difficult. So I actually did some research and finally I found a solution for that. And you can see that how we have removed / pages. So important thing is that I will help you out in solving this issue. So basically I need to write some code, need to do some settings in the Shopify, and then after this solution comes up. So in the previous videos I explained that how you can remove / pages, / collections, / products. So in this video I showed you that how you can remove / policies. So basically I have this complete solution. So I have created separate videos for each URL, for say example / pages, / products, / policies. And in the next video I will show you that how you can remove / collections, or maybe / blogs. So if you are interested to implement this same thing into your Shopify store, I have already given the link below in the description. So just you need to click on that and you can buy this service. So if you are facing any issues or something, then definitely you can ask me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.